continue our exercise about the likelihood or the probability, one of the most common question or famous question is the spinner. If he give me a spinner like this, I have to count all the number on the spinner if he didn't give me in the question. But here he said what the total number. It said this diagram shows an 8-sided spinner. It is spun and lands on a number. Imagine that you spun this spinner and the arrow will indicate to one of the number that I don't know what is going to be. If you look at your number here, you should know what the kind of numbers do you have here. I have 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, 2, and 4. Okay? Out of how many numbers in all together they are 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts of the spinner, or 8 numbers on the spinner. If you look at question A, it said what is the likelihood that it lands on an odd number. Let's count, and as I told you on the previous video that it's very easy for you if you write your answer as a fraction. It will indicate that what's your probability easily. For example, here I have total number is 8. The half of 8 is 4. So I know my total is 8. My half is 4. So if it's exactly gonna be my outcome or my answer is 4 out of 8, so it's even a chance. If it's less than 4, so it's gonna be unlikely or poor chance. If it's more than 4 but not 8, so it's gonna be, yes, exactly, likely or good chance. If it's exactly 8, so it's gonna be certain. Let's see question A. He asked me about the likelihood of getting an odd number. Let's count how many odd numbers do we have here. We have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We have 3 odd number out of the 8 numbers in all. 3 out of 8. So it is, what you think? Yes, it's unlikely. It's unlikely or poor chance because it's less than the half. Another question. Question B. What is the likelihood that it lands on an even number? Let's count how many even numbers do we have here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of course, as long as I have 3 odds, so what's left out of the 8? I have 5 out of 8. It's more than the half. 5 is more than the half of 8. It's more than 4. So it is likely. Likely or good chance. You write both of them are correct. Question C. What is the likelihood that it lands on an we answered B. Question C. What is the likelihood that it lands on a number less than 5? If you look at all the numbers do you have here, 1, 2, 3, and 4, all of them are less than 5. Do I have the number 5 or number that is more than 5? No, I don't have. So all my number are counted here as less than 5. So I'm talking about the 8 number out of the 8 number. It's all with me, so it is certain. So it is certain. Alright, as long as I'm talking about the whole things I'm talking about, the whole number I'm having, so it is certain. Question D. What is the likelihood that it lands on 8? Look at your number on the spinner here. Do you have 8 among your number? No, I don't have. So it is 0. I don't have 8. No, it's 0. So it is impossible to happen. It's impossible to happen because I don't have 8 among my numbers. Question E. What is the likelihood that it lands on 2? Let's count how many 2's do you have in your spinner here. I have 1, 2, 3. As in question A, I have it 3 out of 8, so it's less than the half, so it is unlikely or poor chance.